Hi guys! Good morning and welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Nandito kami ngayon ni Frankie. Here you go. Frankie is here with me. And kain kami guys ng bananas. Gusto niya tong bananas guys. Gusto niya ang banana. So kakain tayo ng banana. Katatapos ko lang ng trabaho guys. Ayan. Just wait. Are you excited? Just sit. Sit. Stay. And we're gonna eat banana. Stay. No. Sit. No. Sit. 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 You love bananas. So what else would you like? Do you like blueberries too? Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Would you like blueberry? Blueberry. So bigyan natin siya ng isa. You love it? You want another one? Yay! Another one? So, kain ng banana, guys. It's mommy's turn. See? See it? Nasugatan ako, guys, oh. Nalagyan ko ng tawag dito, bandage. Sit. I'm not gonna give you this. You have to sit and stay. Sit. Yay! Good boy. Good boy. Oh, no, no. Sit. Stay. Mommy's turn. Sit. No. Oh my God. Sit. 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 Good boy. You good boy. You good boy. Yummy. Yeah. See? You have to see? I'm not gonna get more anymore. Well. Now sit. Sit. Oh. Come here, sit. Yeah. Sit. Come on. Jump. 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 Come on. Yeah. Sorry. Come on. Come on. You're so heavy. You are so heavy. You are so heavy. Ito guys, show ko sa inyo. He had a nose surgery. Ayan, nandiyan pa yung stitches niya guys. Nandiyan pa yung stitches ng kanyang surgery. Kasi inopen yung kanyang ilong dahil konti lang daw yung kanyang hininga, kumbaga nasa 2% lang ata, kaya parang karamihan ata sa sa pag inaano yung inooperahan sa ilong, and then yung sa ano pa ba yung isa? May isa pa yung may isa pang i-opera sa kanya. Here. Okay. He loves the he loves broccoli, he loves banana, he loves strawberry, he loves itong blueberries. Yan yung mga gusto niyang treats, guys. Gusto niya rin ganito, yung massage sa tummy. massage sa tummy. Yeah. More. Oh my God, you're a pig. You're a pig. I wanna cuddle my baby boy. I want to cuddle my baby boy. Yeah. Is na guys, 5 months na siya. Sobrang na siya, lumaki na siya rin. And then he had a T6 too. So kapon na siya, guys. Hindi na siya pwedeng yeah, anak ko. Come here, sit in here. Here, do you want this? Come here. Sit. Yay! Yeah. Look at that. Yay! Good boy. You're a good boy. So, ang alam pa lang niya, guys, yung uupo pa lang siya. Hindi pa siya dun sa mga ibang mga tawag dito. Yung pag-upo pa lang niya, ganon. Come here. Sit. Sit. Okay. Enough. That's all, alright? That's all. That's all. That's all. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Bye.